I prepped my face to do makeup. I absolutely have no time to talk, you guys. Just watch me do makeup, that's it. I'm using Revlon's concealer. Now I'm going to take L'Oreal Paris 24 hour concealer. Yesterday I went to shopping and then I got some eyeshadow palette. So this is how it looks like. Okay, with this film. So I'm gonna use some of these colors. Okay, not that bad. It's not like super pigmented, but if you like, you can just keep applying for the pigment. So I'm gonna take the dark pink color and I'm gonna like dab it all in the middle of the eye. Well, the eyeshadow palette is not that bad, but not that good as well. So if you're looking for like if you're a beginner and if you want to try out makeup, you can go ahead with this eyeshadow palette, but otherwise I wouldn't recommend because it's not that good quality. I mean, it's not pigmented at all. I don't think I'm gonna use this palette. I'm gonna take my small brush and I'm gonna take this shimmery eyeshadow. I'm gonna put it in the inner corner right there. Oh gosh, this is not pigmented at all. It's a shit product. So I'm pretty much done with the eyeshadow. I don't do much with eyeshadow. I don't play a lot. I just like to put some color on my eyeshadow and do like a really thick winged eyeliner. So yeah. And my lower lash line looks really dirty because of eyeliner in the top lash yesterday. I didn't take it out before sleeping. You should clean your eyes when you go to sleep. I didn't. I was busy talking. So I'm gonna use this eyeliner by Maybelline. So yeah, I'm gonna do like a really thick long wing. So you see the eyeliner. I really like putting eyeliner on. Does it look even? I don't think so. But whatever, I'm gonna put on thick lashes so it doesn't really matter. So now I'm gonna clean, no, not clean now. I'm gonna put like cold pencil here. I don't know what you call this, eyelids. So I'm gonna clean my eyelashes really quick with this hyper sensational mascara by Maybelline. Clean them before I put like my fake lashes on. I got from this palette. I've got so many eyelash palettes, like at least 20-30 of them, I'm not sure. So yeah, I'll keep buying. I'm gonna buy more this month, so I don't know why I keep buying them. I'm just obsessed with the fake lashes, and my makeup isn't complete if I don't put them on. Even at work I go with the eyelashes on, and my work starts in the morning like around 7:15 or so, and it takes me half an hour to reach there, and I wake up at like 5 a.m. in the morning just to do my makeup. Can you imagine how much I'm into it? Okay, if you think why am I speaking really low, because my girlfriend has a boyfriend around, so I don't want him to hear me talk. Would be really weird. He would be thinking like, who am I talking to? So yeah, let's do it again. it did stick. Finally, I'm gonna have to put on some like kajal kohl pencil over my lash line to cover the shininess, if you can see from the glue. So I don't like that. I'm gonna do a really quick color corrector. Okay, I'm done with the color correction. Now I'm gonna take my what is this called, concealer eraser, named as eraser. I really like this concealer. This is like exact shade. Oh, there's no product. Okay, it feels really weird when I see, you know, a lot of product poking out. It feels really weird. I don't know why. Okay, I'm done with the concealer and all of that. Now I've got like foundations. I've got like MAC Studio Fix. I've got Super Stay Active Wear by Maybelline. And then I've got NYX Professional Can't Stop Won't Stop by Cappuccino. Okay, I like to directly put it on my beauty blender. This is like light shade, so I might not go with the MAC today. We'll just go with this. Yeah, can you see the contrast? So I'm fine going a bit like dark than going light. You know, if you are dark, you can easily light up your makeup. But if you go dark, if you go lighter, it's so difficult to make your makeup make your makeup look darker, if it makes sense. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay. Can you see? But so much. I'm gonna use it. Anyways, it's been really long since I bought a foundation. This bloody pimple is still on my forehead, if you can see. I'm done blending. Now I'm gonna take my light concealer, this one. It's like really light, to lighten my face because I look like an orange ball, which doesn't look that nice. So yeah, it looks like I've got some light on my face. I don't know, I don't like to look orange. I mean, looking dark is fine, but looking orange is like really weird. And there are some British girls I've seen, like, you know, when I talk about British makeup, they tend to look pretty orangish and they look so cute, to be honest. I love the way they look orange, you know, fake tan and all. I love it. I know a lot of people hate it, but I just love it. So did it lighten my face? I think so, not really sure. Whatever. Okay, I'm done with my foundation. I'm gonna go with the powder. I need this bag of things. It has like sponge and powder puff and all of that, so I'm gonna take this sponge to put the powder on my face. So I really like this. It's a bit expensive. I think it's 10 quid. I'm not sure, it's 10 or 12 quid, but the other one is 2 quid, like this one, 2 or 3. It's good, but then it's a bit dark for my skin, so yeah, I have to buy this in the other shade. It's 170, so I would buy 160 or something, but then I like that brand, so I'm gonna take can you see powdering my face? this sponge is not very comfortable. I need to buy the other one. I have to order from Temu. The Temu has like a lot of makeup sponges, so I want to buy that. You can buy all these sponges and all from Temu and all. It's really cheap out there if you're on a budget, but if you're fine to spend a couple of quids on these sponges, you can actually get it. But online for like £1 I would get like 4 to 5 sponges, so I would rather go for that because I don't really tend to like wash it or reuse it. I don't like reusing anything. I just throw it away after using once or twice, so I'm like that. So I don't want to spend so much money on buying expensive things and throwing it off. So yeah, that's what I do with my eyelashes. I get to be very honest, I've never seen such an amazing eyelashes anywhere in England. I would not say England, but you know, nearby places where I live. So I buy it from like Temu. But over here, even if you find something nice, like nice eyelashes, they're like crazy expensive. Like for 3 quid I get one pair, but from Temu I get like 6 pairs, so like 5 pairs for 3 quid. So I can use it for the entire week and use it once and throw it and use. It's better to use one eyelash every day than using the same eyelash for 7 days. A lot of girls use like same eyelash for so many days, I've seen. So I'm done with the powdering. Now let's quickly do shimmer. It's again from by the brand MUA. I'm gonna take that one. If you can see, it's like really shimmery. I love shininess on my face. Like I love it so much. Let me see, is it enough? Yeah, I think so. Not too much, just a tiny bit. Now I'm gonna take my 2 blushes. I like to mix my blushes. I'm gonna take this one. So I'm gonna take this kajal and I'm gonna do eyebrows really quick. Almost done with the makeup. Let me quickly clean my shiny, what is it called? Shiny glue. Favorite lip liner. I'm gonna buy this again. It's I think not Scandalous. It's the name of the lip liner is like Let's Bounce Lifter Liner by Maybelline. If you're a girl who loves to do nude lips, go for this. Let's just go with this one. It's NYX Smooth Whip. I hate this lipstick. Do not buy this. I bought 2 of this. They are like really drying and they don't stay for long. It's like a lip cream. I like it so soft and buttery soft, but they don't stay for long. And if you've got like really dry lips, do not. I don't recommend it. Okay, does it even look like I've got lipstick on? Okay, fine. I got a new lipstick yesterday, so I'm gonna put that on with. So I found my lipstick, which is like a new purchase. I bought it yesterday. It's by the brand NYX Professionals Filler Instant. So I'm gonna put this on. It's like so shiny and I love it. Can you see the shine? I don't know if you can. I got it for like really discounted price. Why my face looks like really bright? Whatever. So I feel like I'm using like a filter. I don't know why it looks really filterish, but you can't even see my makeup. This phone is a shit phone. I need to buy a camera if I'm gonna keep doing makeup videos, or God is telling me not to do makeup videos anymore, because yeah, Okay, so what I'm wearing, let me quickly show you. I'm wearing like a simple top and a skirt. I wanted to wear a black skirt, but I lost it. So I'm wearing this boring outfit. Skirt and top because I'm going to the library, so I don't want to look over the top. So yeah, I don't know if you can see. So I'm gonna do my hair and get ready, and I shall see you in the library.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.